Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Nvidia error code 0x0003 Geforce experience. Let's begin. So first thing that you can try to do is you can go to your device manager and then you're going to look for your graphics card. So look for something where it says display adapters. So right now I'm only using Intel UHD graphics, but your Nvidia graphics card is also going to show up here. So once you've selected your graphics card, you are going to right click on it and then select update driver. Then it's going to ask you, how do you want to search for drivers? You can search automatically for drivers. Windows will search your computer for the best available driver and install it on your device. And let's say if you want to find it manually, then you can go to the bottom here and then select browse my computer for drivers, locate and install a driver manually. So you're going to look for that specific folder where you kept your drivers and you're going to install it from there, if this first option does not work. Now, the second option would be to go to your settings and then go to the app section, then go to install apps, and then you are going to look for Geforce Experience and you are going to uninstall and then reinstall the application. So once you find it, you're going to go to the right side here and then select uninstall. Then you'll reinstall it and then see if the error code is fixed. Now, if you're installing Geforce Experience from the current installation application from your device, then what I would recommend is you need to go to the website and then download the latest Geforce application. So you are going to go to www.nvidia.com and you're going to go to the Geforce section and you are going to go to the right side here and then select the download now option. And that's going to download the latest Nvidia application. So once it is done downloading, you are going to install it and then see if your problem is fixed. If that does not work, then lastly, what I would recommend is to simply restart your computer. Restarting your computer can solve many problems that come with owning a computer. And if that does not work, then what I would recommend is you go to support services. So you are going to look for the support tab here, and then you're going to go to technical support, and then look for your specific issue over there. And there you go. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free. And it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.